Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add data validation and create filter view in Google Sheets. So the data validation, it is a feature that is commonly used to add drop-down list into cells within your Google Sheet. So let's say if you are trying to track the status of a project, you might use data validation to create drop-down options within cells that can say not yet started, in progress, or ready. So, but a filter view, it arranges the data so that and sorts your data according to your need and create a filter view of that data. So, to learn in more details about the data validation and filter view, you can come back here later. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So, I am at my Google Drive. Now, I will open this Google Sheet. So I have a simple expense list over here. Now, what we will do is to add the data validation. Let me just give. I'm going to add a new cell called the rent paid. So for the data validation, what we can do is we need to click on the column header, then right click and click on data validation. Now, as it is saying a range, so the range can be like a number that you can like use the 20 to 30. Then if you click over here, you get the list of items, number, text, date, and all the other things. So as we are going to create a drop down with multiple choices, so we need to click on list of items. Now it is saying enter items separated by a comma. So you can use more than one item, but you need to separate them using a comma, just like this. Yes, comma, and no. Now if you click on the save, now you will see that now it has a drop down that will let us select yes or no. Now over here it is saying invalid, so because this also has to be yes or no, as we selected the entire column. So now if you want to remove the data validation for this cell only, you have to select this cell and right click on it and scroll down to data validation and click on remove validation. Now the warning has been gone, so now it is good to go. Now to create a filter view, what we can do is we need to select the entire Excel by clicking over here. Let's do it again. We need to click over here and we need to go to the data. Then we need to click create a filter. Now the filter is created. Now if you click on this green filter icon, then you can select which of the information you want to see in the no. If we click on the I want to say only the no and click on OK, now it is showing me the only month in which I didn't pay my rent. Now if I click on this filter icon again and select tick mark everyone and click on OK, now I'm getting my Excel back. So this is how you can filter your data. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we will learn how to add data validation and create filter view in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.